So sometimes the world's just going mental and you're just like spraying and praying and taking shots because everything's moving in front of you. And sometimes you actually have the time to like craft the shot. And like what we've been doing here, we've been finding the photo. So a little bit this way, a little bit that way, arranging the elements, depth, like creating a foreground and a background. We are using leading lines. At some point, if you've got time to kind of craft the shot even further, you get to the point where you want to clean it up a little bit more. Now, I'm sure you've taken photos, feels great, you get back, you look at it on the screen or on the computer and it's like, where did that rubbish bin come from? Or what's with the power lines like running right through the shot? There's just things that you just miss. Like I've literally created stunning images of people where their collar's like up. And you get back and you look at it on the screen, it's like, what happened there? How did I not see that? And I've done that. You'll do that. It's insanely easy to do. You just miss things because there's so much going on. And so one way to not miss things, and I call it name the elements. And it's literally like, say we've got a shot here. We've got our little dinosaur. We've figured around that we want, there's a couch and there's all this stuff back here, and we're kind of close. Like we're like, say we like a bit of a shot like this, and it's feeling good. And there's things that you'll miss. You'll take the shot and you'll miss it. So if you've got the time, go around the photo and name everything in the photo. And that's where you start to pick things up that you want to move. So we've got dinosaur, we've got white surface, we've got couch, we've got hat on the couch. Do we want that in the shot? Everything's like a yes, no. Hat, do we want on the couch? No, let's get rid of that. This little sandbag down here, we're going to get rid of that. Plant, fine. Stuff on the rack, fine. Mat, what's this little mat under? You can kind of see here. And there's things that you just wouldn't pick up. You'll pick up if you start naming everything in the shot. So that sandbag I'm going to get rid of, the hat I'm going to get rid of, the mat I'm going to get rid of. And so let's do that. So we'll get these out of the way. Sandbag out of the way. Hat out of the shot. And let's have a look again. It's cleaner, right? So there we go. We can even rename again if you've got the time. You've got couch, we've got plant. We've got like little brown bits on the end of the leaves. Do we switch out the plant? Do we like clip them off? You can really go to town, and in studio shoots, in product shoots where you're right in the minutiae, you go to town on everything. Is there dust on that bit of the label? And by itemizing each thing, it's super easy to pick up. But just looking at it as a whole, you'll just miss things left, right, and center. So a good little tip, when you're in refining mode, dance around the frame, name everything in it. Yes, no, stays in, goes out, and it'll help get a stronger shot.